So ionic bonding. On page 11 in your books, you've got the text box and ionic bonding, and I want you to complete. Ionic bonding is when a metal donates, or you could say gives, electron, or it could be more than one, so /s, electrons to a non-metal, so that they both will have full outer shells. So they'll have complete electrons in their outer shells. So if we look at an example, on page 10 you have a blank page, so I want you to do this on page 10. So on the left hand side, I'm going to use two colours for this. I'm going to draw a lithium atom, and on the right hand side I'm going to draw a fluorine atom. So lithium has 3 electrons in its outer shell. Okay, so it has electron configuration of 2-1. Fluorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has electron configuration of 2-7. Now neither of these atoms are happy. Remember, for atoms to be happy, they want to have a full outer shell of electrons. Kind of also think of this like pizza. So you've got your pizza box. Now if you think of fluorine here, fluorine has 7 slices of pizza, but somebody's lifted their last slice. Okay, they would love to get a bit of pizza here, okay, to make their pizza box complete. Whereas lithium wants to get rid of this piece. Lithium has 1 extra, it doesn't want it. So lithium is going to give that extra electron to fluorine. And we're going to draw what that looks like. So I no longer have atoms. So underneath, I'm going to draw an arrow going down. And underneath my atoms. My lithium atom, 2-1. That's a sad atom because it doesn't have a full outer shell. My fluorine atom, 2-7. That's a sad atom. The same colours. I'm going to have a lithium, this time ion, where I just have 2 electrons now. It's got rid of that one. And I'm going to have a fluorine ion. I've got my 2 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the 1 of lithium. So right now, if I go to my ions, well, my lithium ion is now just 2, so it's happy. My fluorine ion, it is now 2, 8, so it is happy. So now we have got 2 happy ions. So underneath your diagram, I want to define ion is. So an ion is an atom which has lost or gained electrons. Okay, now it could actually be plural, so I'm going to add in there an or some, because it could be 1 or it could be more. So an ion is an atom which has lost or gained an electron or some electrons. And just remind yourselves, electrons are negative. So underneath that, still on the same page, my fluorine ion has gained an electron, so it has a negative charge, and because it was only 1 electron, it would just be -1. Opposite to that then, lithium. Lithium has lost an electron a charge of positive or plus 1. And what we've now formed is we have made lithium fluoride. And all of that should be on page 10.